AI can write code in seconds. So why are companies paying real engineers more than ever? Because AI still can do the one thing that actually gets you hired and promoted. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Take Enzi for example. 6 months ago, she got laid off and now she's a senior software engineer. Sai, a career switcher from finance to software engineer level 2 at Amazon. Or Yusuf, still a student who landed multiple offers while competing with mid-level engineers for the role. AI didn't take their job. It's the reason why they landed better ones. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how developers inside Amigoscode are getting hired, climbing from junior to senior, and earning higher salaries. Even now, when everyone is scared, AI is coming for their job. A quick intro if we haven't met. I'm Nelson, founder of Amigoscode. I've got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube and I've helped thousands of developers land jobs and higher salaries. My work is recommended by industry experts, senior engineers, boot camps, and even university teachers. But what I care the most isn't just teaching you how to code, it's getting you hired and moving you forward at every stage of your career. Because I know what it's like to have a dream taken from you. Growing up, I only wanted one thing, to be a footballer. That was my whole life. Then I got injured. And just like that, the dream was over. I had to do something with my life, and that's when I found software engineering. It gave me a new path, a career, and a life I never thought I would have. And that's why I built Amigoscode. Because whatever you've been through, whatever stage you're at, I want to give you the same path forward. And on that journey, I learned the truth. A crucial insight that changes everything about who gets hired and promoted in the age of AI. Give me 2 minutes and I'll show you exactly what it is. So here's where developers get stuck. And it's at every stage. Maybe you're trying to break in. You've watched hundreds of tutorials, but you still can't build something real. You apply to many jobs and hear nothing back. You freeze in interviews. And maybe you're already working, but you're stuck. You've been a junior or mid-level engineer for years doing the work, but watching other people get promoted past you while you stand on the same title and the same salary. Or maybe you feel left behind. Everybody's talking about Docker, Kubernetes, microservices, message queues, Kafka, system design, and AI tools like Claude. And you're nodding along, making decisions with AI you don't really understand. Whatever you are, I built this for you. So here's the truth. The thing nobody else is telling you, AI is not coming for engineers. AI writes code. It doesn't think like an engineer. It doesn't design systems. It doesn't make trade-offs. It doesn't own the outcome. That's still your job. And in the AI era, it's worth more, not less. AI is your junior dev. We teach you to be the senior it reports to, so you are in control of AI and not the way around. And here's the other half of it. You don't get hired for what you don't know. You get hired for what you can prove. Hiring today rewards proof and visibility, not sending 200 applications and praying. That's exactly what we build with you. Real projects that prove that you can do the work, and a community that puts you in front of the right people. And it's not just Enzi and Yusuf. Fatima landed her first job. Eva went from junior to mid developer. Leo got promoted and got a salary raise. And we have members rebuilding their CV and getting interviews within days. Real people, real offers. If that's the result that you want, join the link right below this video. But let me show you exactly what you get inside Amigoscode. You don't get another pile of videos. You get a complete system to get hired and level up. There is one clear roadmap that takes you all the way from fundamentals to AI engineering. You master Java, Spring Boot, Spring Security, microservices, databases, and the full world of DevOps, including CI/CD, monitoring, Kubernetes, Terraform, and AWS. And then what everybody's scrambling to learn right now, real AI engineering. AI foundations, AI agents, MCPs, RAG systems, and build with Claude so you're never the one left behind. And instead, you are the one ahead. On top of that, this isn't a course you watch alone. You get over 50 in-depth courses and a CV we built for you. Lead code and system design practice, including mock interviews with both AI agents and real engineers, so you walk in ready. You get your code reviewed by experienced engineers, and you work on group projects that simulate a real engineering team. So you don't just learn how to code, you learn how to work like a real engineer. And every day there are live calls where we code together, hunt real bugs, and ship production-ready projects. That's the hands-on engineering that makes you think like a senior. And it's exactly what AI can do for you. Now you might be thinking a few things. can I just learn this for free on YouTube? You can learn pieces, but free content gives you scattered knowledge, not a path, not a CV, and not people who'll get you hired. Isn't AI taking the jobs? Like I said, AI replaces shallow work. Not engineers will think. We build the thinker. What if I'm not technical enough or I don't have a degree? The roadmap starts from zero, and plenty of our hired members don't have CS degree. Like Yusuf, who was a student. Picture 6 months from now. You wake up before your alarm because you're excited again. You got the offer, or the promotion, and the rise that you've been chasing. You are the engineer you always wanted to be. The rejection, the doubt, the feeling of being stuck, all gone. Your inbox has recruiters in it. Your work is alive on GitHub. And for the first time, you'll feel control of your career. You're not chasing anymore. You are being invited. And that's the reality of our members. And it can be yours. Right now, you can lock in the lowest price this will ever be. As the community grows, the price goes up. But join today and keep the rate for life, and you're not risking anything. Try the whole experience for 7 days, and if it's not for you, I will refund you every single penny, no questions asked. You can cancel anytime. So there's generally no risk in starting today. If you're serious about getting hired or becoming the kind of engineer AI works for, not against, click the join button and lock in your spot. I'll see you inside.